Absolute value is a concept that some people find confusing, so we're going to start at the very beginning with a definition and explain it to you. Keep watching. Welcome to Math Bytes. I'm Allison, and today we're talking about absolute value. The absolute value of a real number is the distance between that number and 0 on a number line. So for example, we have a number line here. How many units away from 0 is the number 2? It's 2 units away from 0. Okay. How many units away from 0 is the number -2? It's also 2 units away from 0, it just happens to be in the other direction. So even though -2 is to the left of 0 on the number line, its distance from 0 is still 2, a positive number. It doesn't make sense for us in the real world to talk about negative distances. So that leads us to this definition. For any real number a, the absolute value, and we write absolute value between the two parallel lines, the absolute value of a is a, if a is greater than or equal to 0, or the opposite of a, if a is less than 0. Okay, let's break this down with an example. What is the absolute value of 3? Well, look at our definition. 3 is greater than or equal to 0, so the absolute value of 3 is just 3. Okay, what's the absolute value of -3? Now, according to our definition, if our real number is less than 0, we take its opposite to find the absolute value. So the absolute value of -3 is the negative of -3. And -3 is 3. So the absolute value of -3 is also 3. This is exactly what we did in our number line example. 3 is 3 units from 0. -3 is also 3 units from 0, but in the opposite direction. And that's what that definition of absolute value is telling us. Since we think of absolute value as distance, we can use it to find the distance between any 2 points on a real number line. So, for 2 real numbers a and b, the distance between a and b will be the absolute value of a minus b. Let's take a look at an example. What is the distance between -6 and 9? We're going to take the absolute value of their difference to find out. So we have the absolute value of -6 minus 9. That's equal to the absolute value of -6 plus -9. -6 plus -9 is -15. The absolute value of -15 is 15. So -6 and 9 are 15 units apart on the number line. Now, what if I had put them in the other order? What if I had said that 9 was A and -6 was B? Would it matter? Let's find out. So the absolute value of 9 minus -6 is the absolute value of 9 plus +6. 9 plus +6 is 15. The absolute value of 15 is 15. It doesn't matter which order I put these numbers in. Their distance apart is the same. So it doesn't matter which number you call A and which number you call B. All you have to do is take the absolute value of their difference, and you'll find out how far apart they are. Absolute values are always positive. Remember, absolute value denotes distance, and in the real world, it doesn't make sense to talk about negative distances. That's it for this episode of Math Bytes. If you like our videos, why don't you subscribe to our channel? And if you have a question you'd like us to answer, just send us an email. We're at contactmathbytes@gmail.com, and we will see you next time.